Greetings, voice from the Gambia, voice from the Smiling Coast, voice from FasNjaga Choi. Right at the moment, we are in North Bank, as we said. Right at the moment, we are the only channel that will travel the Gambias to showcase land for the farmers, land for everyone, clean and proper, standard digital land. So, as we always said, we're working hard each and every day for the Gambia and for Africa. So, most of my people, my followers out there, they love to get themselves into agriculture. Here I go. Here is one of the big land, farmland. Right. There's a casu farm. The other side is a casu, and the other side is not a casu farm. So right now, it is 100 by 100.
Yes.
Right at the moment in the Gambia, West Africa, the Smiling Coast. From Barra to FasNjaga Joy, it is 15 minutes driving away, and the ferry is 15 minutes from Banjul to Barra. Right. I joined together with the president. Travel together from Banjul to Barra, 15 minutes across to FasNjaga Choi.
Yeah.
So likely it will take you 30 minutes, from Banjul to FasNjaga Choi. So right at the moment, we will drop a number in the video. I myself, Lucky Child's number will be in the video, and the owner of the land right at the moment with the eye of the Gambia, Lucky Child. Is it for intro no? Intro you intro yourself to the four corners of the world, and then we go around and then to showcase the land, how much it is.
So wow, FasNjaga Choi. FasNjaga Choi ñun moom waa Fas lañ. Lii moom dañ ko dee business.
Okay.
waaye comme ñu nuy business looy def rek doomu adama dafa war a set. Astuma mbiru laan moom kayit la rek. soo ñëwee jënd ñun duñ la jox kayit boo xamante ne apart from kayiti alkaali bi yow yaay dem liisal sa bopp sa kër.
Okay.
liis bi moom daf dee am. soo gars yi dañu ko dee laaj waaye dañu la wax ne nga dem yaay demal sa bopp soo amee sa kayit. si alkaali yaay dem nga liisal sa bopp.
Okay.
sa kër loo su nekkee ne moom ñëw na. sooy fay.
waaw
dañu dem stress si alkaali. yow da ngay andi sa witness. ñun dañu andi suñ witness.
waaw
ñu toog ñun ñëpp ñu sayin. alkaali bi la sa kayit set mu jox la sa kayit nga dem.
Okay.
nga jël sa kër gi yaa ko moom. sa kër la yaa moom.
Okay.
soo man noonu la dee jaay naa nag lu bëree bëri. soo ñu dem soo laan yaa ngi fi. ñun dañuy jaay lii daanaka suñ liggéey la léegi.
Okay.
soo dañuy jaay lii yëpp tool la. soo dañuy jaay client su ñëwee.
waaw
dañuy waxtaan suñ jubóoyee. dañ lay jaay
kasuwangoog booy kasuwangoog.
soo dañ lay jaay jox la sa xaalis.
waaw
sa kayit bu set nga dem. kayit moom
Di sa
balaa ngay
kasu,
dem
di sa
dañuy dem
kasu.
si alkaali yaakaar naa soo demee si alkaali. foog na alkaali soo joxee kayit rek yow am nga kër.
waaw
am nga kayit bu set.
am nga kayit bu set.
waaw ak sa witness. su boobaa yow mi jëndee tamit dañ la dee laajte sa witness ñëwal ak sa witness.
So this is a casu farm, yeah?
so yes kasu yi waaw time bi ñu ngi ñor bu baax a baax. time bi
So da nga gis ne the water
Wow,
people
wow.
use it.
yes waaw
Yeah?
yëpp
And then
yes,
and
yes.
also
yes yëpp is good.
CC
baax na.
ni is good.
yeah
It's not a waste product.
no yes,
Ndox bi
good.
tam gars yi dañ ko dee mën a
yëpp dañ ko dee
kaju
use kaju yes kaju mën na
Yeah.
kaju yëpp business la
Kasu
yes
juice. Kasu
use
juice.
everything yes
Yeah.
Mhm.
And then right. So
Jaay
fii
business.
side kasu la nii.
yes
And then that other side, xam nga dama waxoon ne land bi 100 by 100 la.
Wow.
It's 100 by 100.
waaw
But that other side is not yet. There's nothing in the middle. You can
Yes.
put your vegetable, your fruits, or whatsoever you want to do,
okay
or you want to do your orange farm, whatsoever you want to do.
okay
So right now, urging all of my Gambian brothers and sisters
okay
who are in area and out there, that's a already set farm
okay
right now, which is 100 by 100.
100 yes
Yes. So right now, femfendi mbijara,
Different
femfendi left direct.
yes
Yeah, different colors. You
Yeah,
have the red
different
kasu
colours.
and then
yeah white
no,
one
the yellow one.
yellow one yes yellow one
This is a yellow kasu. And you
Yes,
know
yes.
what I like about the farm? This side.
yellow one this one is here
It's a yellow one.
yes yellow one
Yeah, to eat it.
yes
Eat and show them. Show them this is
Mhm.
Africana,
Mhm.
Gambiana. This is our own thing, yana.
Yeah.
Nga domo, nga
Mhm.
enjoy yana.
Mhm,
Na
mhm.
mo findo ya.
nice
It's nice.
yeah it's nice Mhm.
It's nice.
yes
Grow what you eat
yeah
and eat what you. Nyama you eat. Riwan lu look me. Ada may mu fi. Nyam fi yodo. Jia do ngale kale
Nice.
kale ngaji. Kasu.
Mhm.
So it's all about our Gambia, the unique Gambia, wonderful Gambia.
Nice
It's a
kasu.
very nice kasua.
Mhm.
Our kulol is perfect.
yeah
So, welcome. Even right now, niya sang itel tanying kasu kulol beti. Itel tanying kasuol beti. And one thing, casu produce for 3 times in one season.
Yes,
One
yes.
season,
First,
one
second,
season.
third.
So in the season we are, is they just starting producing. This is the first produce.
Yes.
After this one, they will produce again. After that, they will produce again. So the most interesting in it is you can score 200,000 the first delivery, like this first one here. Yeah, it produced 3 times. So this produce you can score 150 to 200,000. Yeah, the second one the same way. It could be 100,000 or 125,000. The third one you will have 100,000 or 75,000. You have already gained whatever you spend in this land. I will let you know how much it is in the end of the video. Just stay with me. I'll tell you the best price of the land. Whatever you put in within this casu season, yeah, you will cover and get anything. All these places that you see, fertile, cool, and that's the senior secondary school. Yeah. Okay, from here to the road will take you 2 minutes driving. If you're gonna work by full 5 minutes.
They're going up 400 meters, less than 500 meters from here to the highway.
Plant it again, man, the grow, man.
Grow it again.
You have yellow and red casu here. Any casu that you see is green. It's not yet right. All this is part of the land. So remember, it's 100 by 100. But after nga raja nga kasuota ndigali aba bondika nyame munyi yala aba firole famo bondika come. It is producing flowers. Boy, take that one. Back up. You see, it's producing flowers.
Flowers, yeah.
Yeah, everything is producing properly.
And just next steps, you are seeing it start fruiting, you know.
Yeah. So it's all about the farm. Remember, say, come, let me show them where the farm ends.
And here's the boundary.
There's the boundary. You see? You see that? And you see that one there? Straight forward. So we go to the angle there. Wow. Why you call it koto you clean yame? I love it. Clean and yeah. Clean and then. Yes, man. Yeah, pa. I don't this angle also. So that open empty space that you see in there, but that's electricity pole. Yeah. That's the electricity pole next line.
The high tension.
The high tension, yeah. And there we go. So nying manke bi korati de nying koram ke ba korati. It's a long time because you roll yeah fence munulla. That will show you that
it's been here for decades.
Yeah, decades. Another one here. Another one here. Another one here.
Even by looking at some of the casus, you know these casus are old, you know. And Rosan call this number
and
to
talk
have
to
your own land.
Tell them to call
And to have your
Child
own casu
Gambia.
farm. If you never have a casu farm and you are really planning to have a
no,
casu
remember
farm.
you can do the other side can be casu and the other side can be whatever you want to put in and the dream will go through.
Yeah.
Or you just fall some casu tree and plant whatever you want to plant in. You know what I mean? Yes. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. That's a bushfire here. So this is the casu, yeah?
That casu boy is having many casus up there, the fruits ones.
Yeah,
let's go there, let's go and see.
So right now, yeah, all this is part of it. And that's the road. That's a road, yeah? Straight off road. Yeah. So right now, as I said, I'll tell you the price of the land. It should be I think it's
I'm in a haze.
Papa. I think is. You see how big the farm is?
And how is unique is it? I'm in a haze, lucky child.
650K with negotiation.
Ah,
You see how big it is? So call me. We
with
negotiate
all,
about
with
it.
all these castle trees.
With all castle
With 100
trees
by
and the
100.
money already on top of this. All this is money. Come.
You buy
Papa,
100.
papa. All this is money. All this is money.
So can you count 3 of them, please?
I cannot count this.
No, 3. I need 3 seeds or 3 flowers.
All this is flower. Papa, you wanna confuse me? All this is flower because it's uncountable. This is millions of dollars. The millions of dollars is because it's produced 3 times in a season. So the first season might be right because what I'm seeing, 100 by 100, it will give you 200,000 or more.
Dollars.
The second produce, it will give you 150 to 175.
Okay, let's say it. Now, for now, you say the land is 650,000
with negotiation.
When you buy this land, 3 seasons, you have already conquered that.
3 seasons, you might be making millions out of it. So, Pa, look at this. How many red casus are here?
Uncountable. I cannot count them.
This one tree can give you thousands of dollars.
I cannot count them.
Isn't it? Yeah, bro. One tree can give you thousands of dollars. Yeah. This Gambian dollars. You see. So right now, or more of that. Yeah. This is the land of the smiling coast.
Look, I saw you test the yellow castle. So
yeah, I test the yellow one. So you want me to test the red castle?
Branch and you shake it, it will come down this branch.
You know, if I shake it, remember, if you shake this, a lot of the
down.
flowers will go down. You're wasting a lot of harvest.
Now you can hold the branch and you.
No, let me jump up. Pa. Come here. Let me jump and grab this small one here.
Wanna jump and grab it?
I got 2 and one for you. No, one for Maimuna.
Okay.
One
now,
for
one for you, one for Maimuna.
I eat one for myself and one for Maimuna.
Yeah, man.
Check.
That's honey and darling. So eat Maimuna's.
That's mine.
That's yours. So that one?
Maimuna.
Oh. What the other?
But subscribe, like, comment, and share. And to the 4 corners of the world, you are going to call this number, talk to us live and direct. Get your best farm, best land in the Gambia.
With casu nuts.
With the casu nut. Casu juice, casu water, casu tree. Or whatever you want to do.
And casu kulu.
Love you all. Subscribe, like.
And Ross and Carl.